Look at this beef short rib. Child, who they playing with? I did not come to play, okay? So I'm just leaving the gym and it's cold as hell in Jersey this week. Like, it's giving Christmas. So I decided that I do want some pho today for lunch. So come with me to the pho house in Edison.
Bitch, y'all dressing me with my fucking bop, bitch. I dress that bitch. It's me, I'm that bitch, yeah. Mink so, I buy grown man watches and make them take links out, bitch. Tell me who can I run to when I need.
Okay, y'all, we made it. Let's get into some things, honey. So I've been here before, so I already know what I want to eat. I'm gonna do the pho beef short ribs, some Vietnamese spring rolls, and a Thai tea. That's what I want. So my spring rolls and my Thai tea is here. The tea is good. Look how good that looks. It's like fried hard. You know, we love stuff fried hard. You know it's perfect when your eyes start running and your nose start running. Like, the perfect spice. This is so good. And the beef rib. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Y'all better get down here. You know your nose be running. Exactly what I needed on this cold day. Literally.